With us here, we have a section of members of the Kisii County Assembly. My name is Bous Mairura. I represent the great people of Mazimba Ward. As you are aware, the whole Kisii County was today waiting for a debate on impeachment of the Deputy Governor, His Excellency Dr. Robert Monda. The country is shocked on the allegations that we have seen, and I think that's a story for another day. But I want to say the whole thing is dead on arrival. We want to urge the Kisii people, the Kisii County people, to remain united and know that the Deputy Governor is at peace, because the Section 60 of our standing orders and the Section 33 of County Government Act outlines clearly the procedure of removing a Deputy Governor from office. The same process is the one that applies when removing a governor from office. So as this team here, we want to say that we have seen a clear violation of the law and a deliberate move to extend the whole process, because seemingly whoever was trying to intimidate the Deputy Governor did not have enough grounds, because the matters that we have here are matters that can be solved at home with our assistant chiefs and our chiefs and even the village elders. Because you cannot tell us to impeach a Deputy Governor that they had a quarrel with his wife, or they had a quarrel with his brother in matters to do with boundaries. Those are matters that can be solved within the family. So we are waiting. We want to tell them, bring it on. We will teach you the law if you don't understand the law. Sasa tunataka kusema kwamba haya mambo yote tumeona ni zile tu vipindi ya serikali ya Kisii County ambayo imejitoa kufanyia watu kazi, imerudi kufanya sarakasi, drama ambayo tumezoea hapa, na sisi hatutatishwa na hatutarudi nyuma kuambia watu wa Kisii kwamba wazidi kuambia viongozi wale ambao wamepewa nafasi wawafanyie kazi. Hizi vita tunaona ambazo mara unataka kutoa Deputy Governor eti akukula ugali alipikiwa na bibi yake, it's arrant nonsense, and we must call it as it is until the people of Kisii at the end of the day. Biblia inatuambia look, nasema kwamba hata linalofanyika usiku siku moja itafanya nini? Itajulikana. Whatever that is happening in Kisii, the master of all this drama, the mastermind of all this drama, at one day he will be stripped naked. Na watu wa Kisii watasherekea kwa kupata amani. Thank you. Works in Kisii County. It doesn't work in Wasco. The Kisii, the Wasco inadili na mambo ya maji. Deputy Governor ni Deputy Governor. Akiwa na deni ya mtu, you cannot bring to us as members to dispense that in the assembly. What I want to say is there was no attached evidence. I have the motion with me, those papers, even the members who signed, they said 51. No member, there is no even single signature. Even from the petitioner or the mover himself, he did not sign as provided in the law and as provided in our standing orders in the Kisii County Assembly. Hii yote mnaona watu wa Kisii ni sarakazi. But it's a matter of time we will remove this nonsense and the county will be taken back to sanity. So mo Deputy Governor atakali kuri bukumobe yake romo ngina ko murugera go se namba ramande na mumuro mwabo binde bituriko torendera bunge una intwa ba MCA abantu bagusi angolero twaswa bunge to discuss kaichi basari chire tuayeta abantu chi form umutieni olio erete matukairira ngabana bairuchi bezejo chibara chi abete launch na His Excellency the Governor kaichi keire koruto chi launch. Those are the things we want to discuss. You cannot come and tell us ina ototaino mo Deputy Governor na gosa kaegwa hongo na gosena muntu mugaba na mo Deputy Governor trio korasa mache macha Wasco na bwata baraibai umu Deputy Governor obisi ya ento manyete negasiria gukora aga niri gukora buno mo Deputy Governor ni manyikanete abantu ba Kisii County obono bosoko bana ase serikali inje buno umurayo chore na bero bosoku egento twegu montrono yo mota sign tibuna rono uri ogekerenta discuss in parliament abadede na abantu ba sign iri abantu 51 lakini ndro rono yo mota ka tento kike ta sign no and the law provides go ikegente kike sign gu na abantu at least 2/3. It is clear violation of the law. Impunity